One of the small downsides of having a gym in India is you don't get the best stuff around, so you often have to make it yourself. And this is called a belt squat. You basically start with this 5 mm thick stainless steel sheet, which we laser cut a bunch of holes into, which you'd have the plate holder and the bolt ties and everything going into. And then we moved this giant plate, we laser cut into it, and we moved it over to this giant folding section, which was right next door. It looks like it's almost smiling at you. Yeah. So we then moved that over to a giant press brake where it took about 4 guys to handle this 100 kilo behemoth piece of steel, and they put about 10 folds into it from all 4 sides, and they had to do this carefully because all the holes had to align so the bolts could go smoothly through and the thing would become one big rigid structure. So they folded about 10 folds in it from multiple directions, and right after which it looked like this, right before we welded anything. So we then welded all the corners together, and we wound up putting a little cross beam across the weld to stiffen the thing, and we also put this guide rod from the bottom which kind of screws into place, and there's a top pipe onto which the plate goes which travels along the guide rod. There's a seat post, and this is the final product. And it's a beautiful squatting experience, and there's very little pressure on the spine when you squat on this thing.